What's up, my boys? I'm back. The long-awaited return. The Tesla Model 3 is back, baby. Finally got my Tesla back from the repair shop. It took about 15 days once I actually took it to the shop. The repair shop was pretty quick once I actually got it to them, and then they were able to look at everything that was wrong with it, and get all the parts and all that. It took them 15 days to put it back together. I think we kind of dodged a bullet with the crash because it ended up just being bumper and suspension and wheel damage, so no frame was messed up. Now I want to talk about the insurance claim process for a little bit. I'm not going to go too much into detail, but I'll give the brief details. So the process actually went by pretty quick. I like that they kept me pretty much informed with everything that was going on, as far as every time there was an update on the car, they would text me and tell me what was going on, stuff like that. I really appreciated that. Like, you don't usually get that from other insurances. I've dealt with another crash before and I had no clue what was going on. I want to talk about the insurance claim process. I did end up going through my Tesla insurance, which turned out to be a good decision because they took care of business. If you ever dealt with the insurance claim, you already know what I'm talking about, as they take forever. Especially if there's money involved, it takes forever to get your money and anything like that. So I was very impressed by Tesla's insurance that they were able to refund me my deductible before I even picked up my Tesla. That's right, the check arrived to my house one day before I had to pick up my Tesla once it was ready to be picked up. Now that is good customer service right there. So far so good. I picked up the car like probably 2 weeks ago. I haven't been able to make a video because it's been raining and I've been working, so everything's driving like how it should be. I haven't noticed any differences as it was before the accident, so everything's good. Now we can start doing some upgrades. Hell yeah. So we are going to be removing the hubcaps from my car. I did purchase the Aero wheel cap kit. I got lucky and purchased the older one, because I know there's a new version now, but I feel like the older version looks better than the new one, so I kind of got lucky with that. So we're gonna open up this box and show you what's inside. So here it is, the Aero wheel cap kit. That's all the pieces you're gonna need to change the look of the hubcaps. We're going to go ahead and take this outside and go ahead and get started on the process of installing them. I installed all 4 Aero wheel caps. That's how it looks. Looks pretty nice. I ended up cleaning the car yesterday, so it's somewhat clean. You know how it gets. It gets dirty right away, but here's how it looks a little bit more closed up. I'm sure you guys know what it looks like if you've been a fan of Teslas, because lots of people do this, but it's looking pretty good. I ended up putting a tire shine on the tire, so it's looking pretty good. More angles from how it looks. I'm pretty happy how it looks right now. Now it just needs a little bit more lowering. So I'm gonna start looking into what color setup I can get. If you have any recommendations, go ahead and drop them below in the comment section. But yeah, guys, here's the first mod, I guess, besides the tint on the Tesla Model 3. Let me know your thoughts on it, if I should keep the wheels like this or if I should get some aftermarket wheels. In my opinion, for right now, they look fine, but I think later on I'll be end up switching them. But it makes the car look a little bit different without the hookups on. Be it for today's video. Go ahead and give me a like and subscribe for more Tesla content coming soon. One thing I forgot to mention is when you change your Aero wheel cap kit, make sure you go into settings and change that as well. So they have an option for you. It's under service. You go to wheel configuration. You go right here. It should be the 18 wheel cap kit. Confirm. There it is. You're all good to go.